You, hey, how are you, YouTube family? I hope you all are doing good. Today, I'm going to discuss a very beautiful young bodybuilder, Brandon Harding. Brandon Harding is a British YouTuber. Moreover, he is a fitness influencer and athlete. Besides, he is a winner of the European Classic Champion. Quick facts: his name is Brandon Harding. Birthday January 5th, 1997. 23 years old. Gender obviously is male, and his nationality is British. And by profession he is a YouTuber, athlete, fitness expert, and currently he's dating, not married. Okay, let's go find some facts about him. Brandon Harding was born in 1997, is a British YouTuber and an athlete. His age is 23 years. Likewise, his zodiac sign is Capricorn. The athlete does not have a Wikipedia, however, his short wiki and bio are available on numerous online sites, but not many personal details are available about him. Harding is a handsome man with an athletic build. Besides, he has a stunning height, but his actual measurements include height, weight, and other body details are not yet revealed. Brendan is dating a lovely woman. Brit Shaheen is his girlfriend. The couple are dating for several months. The chemistry between them is very powerful. It sets everything on fire for them. Harding has very lovely parents. His parents supported him in the bodybuilding as well as other fields of life. There is no information on his parents or siblings available on internet. The, U- the YouTuber is a bodybuilder, thus his diet is also extreme. Moreover, he shares some of his diet plans from YouTube. Besides, he also provides diet and workout guidelines to the interested ones. However, it costs them some bugs as you know. Harding is active on social media, which includes Instagram. He posts modeling, bodybuilding, and professional life-related photos on it. Furthermore, he has gained over 5 lakh subscribers and followers as well, as you can see. Besides, the man is so active on YouTube and Twitter. He garners 508k subscriber on YouTube. Likewise, he has gained over 4k followers on Twitter. Brandon started his fitness journey in 2014. Since then, he's kept a track record of everything via his YouTube channel. The man had a very lean body in his teenage, thus he wanted to build muscles. Harding showed his progress from a thin body to a bodybuilder, so he is also an influencer. Moreover, he is also helping other people to gain muscles and develop their bodies.